it's Kylie Bertucci with you again with another amazing card. I'm on fire this week, so I'm pumping out these videos for you. If you're new to my channel, I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia, so if you live in Australia, you're able to purchase any of these products from me. Some of the products I'm showing today, though, are brand new, so the only way to get them at the moment is to join and become a demonstrator. You do not have to sell, but you do get a discount when you join. So it's well worth thinking about. I'll keep telling you all, it's worth joining. So the card that I have for you today, I have not actually finished creating yet. We're going to create it together. So no sneak peek yet. It's all going to be brand new when you look. So let's jump on in. I'm doing a quick one today, jumping straight in to show you what I'm using, which is the amazing Floral Essence stamp set. This is a brand new one that you can add to your starter kit if you decide to join with Stamping Up. That means you don't have to wait till the 4th of June. Otherwise, yes, you may purchase it on the 4th of June if you want to stay a customer. But what I love about these images are the beautiful flowers, but also these outlines. I think they're just so gorgeous. And of course, more beautiful sentiments, which is always a great one. This is a perfect one for someone who's just starting out stamping, because you've got your mix of flowers, but then some nice sentiments that you can use for a different number of occasions. So let's have a look. I am today using a brand new in color called Rococo Rose. And many of you may know I am not a pink girl. I'm channeling my Rococo Rose today. Look how similar it is. I totally was wearing Rococo Rose before it even came out. Didn't even know it. But yes, I normally don't wear pink or like pink, but this is definitely a pink that I like. I really am enjoying it. And I'm putting it with Basic Grey and with Smoky Slate. This is my favorite combo with pink. Love it. So we have our stamp set. I've already put some stamp sets out that I'm going to use today. And what I have done is use my card templates to help me create my card today. And it's good for all of you who have my card templates. You will know what measurements to use. If you don't have my card templates, the links are below. But I've used the Gorgeous Grape measurement for the base. Then we jump to Mango Melody. I use these a lot, so they're a little bit grotty. Sorry about that. And also I've used, this one's really grotty. I'm hoping I've got a spare. Yes, I remember doing a spare now because this was really, really, really grotty. Okay, and Daffodil Delight. There we go. So they're my 3 layers that I was deciding to use today. So if you have my card templates, you'll be able to get the measurements in any country and any measurement that you use. So voila, that is what you need to cut. And what we're going to do is come in with our, so this layer here is the Whisper White is going to be the Daffodil Delight layer, that measurement. The Mango Melody is going to be Rococo Rose. And the Gorgeous Grape layer I am doing in Basic Grey. I'm like, what's that color? Basic Grey. So these are our layers. I'll show you here. Basic Grey, Rococo Rose, and Whisper White. So with this one here, I'm going to lay out first of all the sentiment, and we're going to do that in the Basic Grey. So we'll come in and stamp that one and just try and line it up as best you can. It's really not too much of stress if it's not perfectly centered. Grid paper is obviously very handy for trying to eyeball it, or of course our amazing Stamparatus is another idea. So that's, you know, just eyeballing. So we'll start with that, and I'll show you why we need to start with the sentiment, because we're going to build around it. Actually, I won't close the grey because we need it. So we've got the Rococo Rose and the Smoky Slate here as well. See if you can see that. Okay, good. So let's go for the Rococo Rose to start with. I just love saying that. Rococo Rose. So fancy. And I'm going to come in as close as I can to this sentiment and do some stamping. I'm just going to do 3 of these flowers. I do like working in odd numbers. because of the Fibonacci sequence. We love things in odd. Odd numbers are the best. I'm like, where is my... I always, no matter how organised I try and be, I always end up... No, it's right in front of me. My stamp and pierce mat. I'm like, I'm sure I was trying to be organised today. It's just for your entertainment, I promise. No, it's really not. I really am trying to be organised. And I'm going to use some grid paper so that, unlike what I've done here in the background already, I'm a bit naughty, we will stamp on here so that my stamp and pierce mat doesn't keep getting ink on it. Because it's not a nice idea, is it, having ink all over it? So there we go, there's another one. And you'll see here that the image is just so much clearer and better when you do polymer on the stamp and pierce mat. It's much better. So take a note to self, and another one there. Now, you'll see in a moment why I'm trying to get as close as I can to the sentiment. It probably is like, what is Kylie doing and why is she going so close to the sentiment? It doesn't make sense. It will soon, I promise. Then I come in with my little outline, and I'm going to do it in the smoky slate because this is going to give the effect of like a pencil, like drawing, which I really love. Look at that. It's like pencil drawings. And we'll just come around there. And again, I'll try and fit in 3 of these, and then we'll fill in the rest with hopefully some of the leaves. We'll just eyeball it. So the leaf I'm doing in the basic grey, just to add a little bit of pop. We want some to say hello there. Okay, so that one looks good there. It's actually okay with the outline one to go over the top. So we'll do that because it actually looks quite nice. And it doesn't interfere with, like I wouldn't stamp over the top of the Rococo rose. I mean, you can try, but you know, that's my little rule of thumb. I don't know why that, oh, there we go. I was seeing through and I'm like, it's not stamping. Okay, let's try about there. Oh, seriously, I can't get any closer, can I? And then another one down here. Yeah, loving it. Oh, so beautiful. So these colors together are absolutely gorgeous. Now what we're going to do is come in with the incredible stitched shapes, and these framelets, if you don't have them, they are available now. You don't have to wait to get these. You can get them straight away. Stitched shapes framelets. And I'm going to use one of these gorgeous circles. You can totally use a square or an oval, whatever you decide to do. Let's have a look and see what the oval would look like. Ooh, you could even do it like that. That would look so pretty. So yeah, test out a few different shapes. And what's going to happen, and I'll show you because I've pre-done it. I know, I'm pretending I'm organised. I'm turning over a new leaf. So what I did was actually the circle, and I've pre-cut it. So let's come in with that. Voila, look at that. Now, the exciting thing about doing this, you're probably thinking, what is happening here? What is the next step? Why did you cut it? I read your mind, didn't I? And it's totally the voice you use too. Like, what is happening, Kylie? I don't know why I've suddenly just become like real teenagey. Maybe some of your daughters are speaking like that. Like, mum, seriously, you don't get it. Really, you don't get it. So, this is what's going to happen after my teenage episode. We've got our layers, as I showed you before. And what we're going to do is bring this in and raise this. We're going to put it on dimensionals. Isn't that cool? And it's such a cool little technique that's super easy, super simple. And how quick was this card? Yeah, I'm telling you, it was so quick. that I was like, you know what? I'm going to film it because it was so fast that I have to share it because it just came together so quickly. Now, if you want, you could do that raised as well, but I'm going to put it lower today just to put all attention, all eyes are going to be on that beautiful sentiment. All days are beautiful that begin with you. They really are. Thank you for being here. All days really are beautiful with you. Oh, bit of glue there, seeping out. It's not often I go a bit crazy with the glue, but it happens. All right. And then we'll grab some dimensionals and pop this little baby up. I keep mine stored in a clear mount case because our clear mount cases are the bomb. You can save it for everything. Designer series paper, you can put in any of your embellishments like your pearls, or actually these would look really good with pearls too. Feel free to add any embellishments you like to this. I might add some when we finish because I don't have them here. Some rhinestones, rhinestone cowboys. So then you just line it up to where you've already stamped, of course. I've got the right little, oh, yes, yes, everything's looking lined up. Voila. And look at that. How pretty. And you can kind of see the Rococo rose behind. I'd like it a little bit more if you wanted to. You could actually go smaller again if you really wanted to show it. You could go the next layer. Might be a bit too small though with the next layer. But how quick and easy was that? And as I said before, if you wanted to, you could come in and try the oval and see what that looks like, or even the square, and just change it up. And of course, we want something for the inside. We don't want any nudie runs. Oh, shame on you, Nudie Rudy. Such a Nudie Rudy. Nudie run. We don't want any of that. See, look, this is from my Stamp and Pierce mat because I didn't put the grid paper on there. It's gone on top. Oh, hide yourself. Hide yourself on camera. There you go. You're all dressed. So there you go. That is the inside. And how gorgeous does that look? And how quick and easy. And why not? Let's do an envelope because it's so fun. We'll get some Rococo rose. We'll Rococo rose it up and just put some in the corner here. Again, I'll grab my Stamp and Pierce mat because we're using polymer. And stamp there. And I'll do the same on the envelope here. Hi, Bruno Bertucci.
You're doing a video?
I am.
Live?
I just, no, it's not live, but I just made a card while you were out, and I was like, oh, this is so quick and easy. I have to show everyone how to make it. You can say hello if you like.
Hi.
Oh, what's that?
Where are you? There.
Did you bring me a flower? You're the best. And it's so pretty. It goes with my outfit. It goes with Rococo rose, although it's a little bit more purple posy.
Oh, rich raspberry.
Rich raspberry, is it? Oh, thank you. Come a bit closer because you're turning the light strange. Hi. Mwah. Thank you, husband.
I'm going to eat dinner now.
Flower. Yeah, I'll let you eat dinner at 11 o'clock p.m. It's been very busy, man. Let's keep this in the freeze frame. Oh, how cute is that? I love that husband of mine. Seriously, where did I find him? Does anyone know? So good. And then I'll come in with, I'm like blushing now. Come in with the, see, I knew there was a reason I did a video tonight. Love it. Chop it. And the front. And then we'll grab our basic grey. Hello, little one. Aren't you beautiful? It's a beautiful flower. It's actually legit. It's actually a plant. I hope I don't kill it. I'm so bad at gardening. I need some advice. How do I look after orchids? I'm pretty sure that you're not meant to water them. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. How do I look after orchids? Do I put it, is it light? No light? I forget. We did try and keep one alive, but it didn't work. Oh, yes. Look at that. Ah! Love it! So there we go. We've got a beautiful card and we've got this awesome envelope to go with it. And I think this is a record. We're less than half an hour on a video. What is going on? And I've closed the ink pads. Maybe I have turned a new leaf from yesterday. If you missed my other video yesterday, what are we going to do with Kylie? Then you have to go look at it because I pretty much lost the plot in a big way. But, you know, it's fun. We've got to do these things. So now I can have this with my flower. Yay! Do you love it? Tell me in the comments below. And if you make it, remember to tag me and look out for the beautiful new Rococo rose and try this little technique out. It's a lot of fun, but really simple. Looks complicated, so isn't. So I know you're going to have a lot of fun. Thanks for being here, everyone. And look forward to reading all your comments below. Bye! See you soon. Mwah!
If you enjoyed this, make sure you follow me. Come over to my blog and I'm on Insta, YouTube and more.